Alright, so who's here yesterday? Alright, so we did the prior two little lessons we've done were pendulums and the top lock position. So today I want you guys to kind of like mold the two together. So we're gonna go like if I'm doing 2-on-1 here. So 2-on-1, I'm starting to set up like a pendulum right here. We're gonna add in as I start to get them here, and maybe they escape their arm, they pull their arm out here. And then so from here, we just go right to the closed guard over that arm that they pulled out. So they rip their arm out, but they give us a triangle setup. So you need to know, when you go from arm bar to triangle, my head must go the exact opposite way. So this is the way I was for the arm bar. So I need to let go here, start by pushing the arm across here, and start changing my angle to the complete opposite side right here. So break the posture here, put on the hip here. So I always teach for you guys grabbing the triangle here before you open, but I showed yesterday, I'm going to show some tips with the triangle too tonight. So the way I do it, it might be a little harder now, but you'll get better at it. As you get better at it, it'll be the stronger version. I go 2-on-1 and I just fold the neck here. So once her neck is bent, she's way weaker. So now I just chop this down with my hamstring and I can push with my guard open right here and then get the angle that I need to finish the triangle. Another little tip that I do for the triangle is, you just hold it. Another tip that I do for the triangle here is, so like I always say, you want to get a good angle right here. So this is what a triangle normally looks like, but let's say pretend she's bigger. If I bring right here, I can't quite close it. If I bring my leg over so you can't see her shoulder, it makes the circumference smaller that I need to cover. And then flex your feet up, both feet up. So when people first start this, they usually try so hard to flex their foot up that they straighten this leg. But you need to cut the angle, chop down, cross here, and then I still keep my knees bent when I flex the triangle right there. And then last ditch effort, maybe if they're really big, I need to get off my back and go more onto my hip, almost like I want to invert here, and that changes the angle to be like absolute best angle for the triangle right there. So I'm in here, I'm doing 2-on-1, pulling them in, setting up my pendulum, start cutting my angle here, and then maybe she gets her arm out here, rips her arm out here, block up the triangle, pass the arm over here. This time I have a kind of a different one. With this strong chop here, I can hold her arm here. So if she rips this arm out, then she'll posture up. So I have to make sure this is good here. Why I cut my angle right there, finish the triangle. And then the other thing we did was, so I showed a pendulum like this here, where we start going with the sleeve right here. And then I want you guys to mix in, like you can go here, like top lock style, and then finish the arm bar right here. And then again, if she pulled her arm out, you could go to the triangle. But sorry, I want you guys to like kind of work these together, give each other different scenarios, pulling the arm out, like pendulum, arm bar, triangle combo, like those three pieces. Does that all make sense? Like I was getting lost up here. Good. Any questions? All right, ready?